Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus RX350 rear bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for anyone. Begin by carefully removing the two plastic clips located within each rear wheel well liner. A plastic trim tool works best for this to avoid scratching. Next, move underneath the vehicle and locate the four 10mm bolts securing the bottom edge of the bumper. Remove these bolts. If your RX350 has mudguards, gently detach them now, as they often overlap the bumper. Now, open your trunk and locate the two 10mm bolts on each side, often hidden behind a small access panel or carpet flap. Remove these. With all bolts and clips removed, gently pull the sides of the bumper away from the vehicle body, releasing the remaining clips. Be mindful of any electrical connectors for parking sensors or taillights. Carefully disconnect these before fully pulling the bumper away. With all fasteners and electrical connections detached, you can now carefully pull the entire bumper straight back from the vehicle. It should slide off smoothly. Once removed, place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to this insightful book and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for financial wisdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.